bigtractorpower.com is out in a 1,000 acre field of white corn. Today we're taking a look at a New Holland CR8090 combine with an 18-row, 20-inch Drago corn head and a New Holland T9, a 450 four-wheel drive tractor, and a J&M 1401 grain storm grain cart. These are big blue machines and yellow combine from New Holland, and it's always exciting to bring every brand to you in our videos, and we're looking forward to getting up in the cab of this CR8090 and showing you some footage of these machines in action out in the field. bigtractorpower.com is filming a New Holland CR8090 combine. This 449 horsepower combine is a Class 8 machine with a 350 bushel grain tank. It is built in Grand Island, Nebraska at Case New Holland's combine manufacturing facility. It has a Case IH equivalent, and that is the model 8230. The difference between a Case IH 8230 and the CR8090 is that the New Holland uses a twin rotor while Case IH uses a single axle rotor. New Holland introduced the first rotary combine, the TR70 twin rotor combine, in 1975. Prior to 1975, all combines on the market used a walker design, which uses a series of shakers inside the combine to separate the grain from the crop material. The twin rotor uses two rotors inside. In this case, as we're seeing white corn shelled, to remove the corn from the cob. The CR8090 here is running an 18-row, 20-inch Drago Series 2 corn head. It's shelling, on average in this field, about 204 bushels per acre. Here we can see the Drago Series 2 18-row corn head as the combine unloads another 350 bushels of white corn. This is a 20-inch head, so it's what is known as a narrow row. A lot of the corn in the United States and across Canada is raised on 30-inch rows, but some farms prefer to go with a narrow row, like this 20-inch option that we see here. Harvesting out in a 1,000-acre field with 204 bushel of corn on average. It takes a lot of trucks to move that grain from the field to the farm. Right now we've got 4 semi-trucks sitting out here as the Holland CR8090 and the J&M 1401 grain storm move in to fill up another truck to carry the corn away. See the combine unloading as it gets ready to start up a new section. Here we can see the 18-row 20-inch Drago head as we enter the next pass of corn. Combine is shelling white corn today. It's making about 204 bushels per acre, which is a very healthy crop. We're out in a big 1,000-acre field with a CR8090 today. It's unloading on the go here with a New Holland T9 450 4-wheel drive and a J&M grain storm 1401 grain cart. The cart is on tracks, which helps with compaction and moving the grain across the field. New Holland CR8090 is a twin rotor combine. It is 449 horsepower with a power boost up to 490 horsepower. So it has plenty of power to run this big 18-row head as it harvests 30 feet of corn. It has a 350 bushel grain tank. We can see the corn being unloaded out here through the back window. The CR8090 unloads 3.5 bushels of corn per second, and this field is 0.8 of a mile long, so it will it'll fill the combine up twice with all the corn that it's harvesting. We have to unload twice before it gets to the other side. Here we can see the New Holland CR8090 really working through some tough conditions. What's happened here is that there was over 20 inches of rain here in western Kentucky in the month of July, and this is a low area, so this section of the field got flooded out, and the herbicides that were used to kill off weeds certainly were washed away by all that rain. So the combine is working through the tall Johnson grass to collect the corn that was still able to grow after all that rain. And as you can see, with this 449 horsepower combine, it's not having any trouble slicing right through all that material. This New Holland CR8090, equipped with an 18-row 20-inch corn head from Drago, is taking in 30 feet of corn at a time. Thank you for watching this bigtractorpower.com video. Please visit our website to link to our YouTube channel with over 1,000 videos of big farm machines in action, and our Facebook page where we share photographs and farm equipment history on a daily basis.